And how do we protect our secret code? With? Password. So what is the most common password in the whole world? What does most people use for their password? Yes, Molly? Which number? Most people in the world will use 3 things. That is why a hacker can hack your computer very easily if you do this. So they used which number? Yes, Ryan? Huh? Eric? 1, but still an easier one. When we count. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then there's another one that is easier, even simpler, that people use so they do not forget their own password. See? Not a birthday. Nope. The word password. Most people will use the word password. And then there is one more. When you look at your computer keyboard, right? When you started typing, remember, there were 3 rows. What is the sequence of the letters on the first row of the keyboard? What does it say? QWERTY, right? A lot of people use those. Are the 3 most used passwords in the world. The easiest to hack. So you have to get your password to protect your code. Now these are some codes that is well known in the world. Long ago, they used Morse code. Like when you have an SOS in the board, it's a sequence of dots and dashes. Today, I think that you have side dogs. Blind people use side dogs, but to read they use Braille. Braille is just a system of dots. Binary, you should know. All the computer geeks should know binary code. What is binary? What is coding? How do you code in the computer class? What do you use? Nick? But what numbers do you use? You always just use 2. Yes, James? 1 and 0. And this one speaks for itself. How do you use this code? A1Z26. What do you think? How do they use this? Oh, yes. What's that? Yes, they say that you can assume A is the first letter in the alphabet, Z is number 26, so you give everybody just a number. Now the most interesting one is @bash. How does @bash work? You just use the alphabet backwards. Here is A1Z26, you just give each one a number. @bash is you use the alphabet backwards. Braille, you use dots for blind people so they can read it with their fingers. Binary is a computer code. This is the binary code for A. Here, B until Z has 1. And Morse code, if you have SOS, is 3 quick dots, 3 dashes, and then 3 tick. That is an emergency code. Now, you have to crack this code. You have to eliminate the codes that it cannot be. I just showed you 5 and you know the Navajo. Can this be the Navajo code? Yes or no? No. Because it's way too short, right? Can it be the A1Z26? You are.